Today I'm going to show you how to honey glaze on the cast iron griddle in my kitchen. Sausages from Mexico and El Salvador and beef ribs. And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. Look at this beauty. This is beef ribs, sausage from El Salvador, Salvadorian sausage, a Mexican sausage. And I went to a butcher at a Latino type market here in Virginia, in Fredericksburg, Virginia. Name of the place is going to be in the description. And I have other ingredients, you know. I'm going to use some rosemary, thyme. I have some pure honey, sunflower oil. I have some salt that I got from this location in Iceland. I ordered it. It's very nice. I'm going to have a link in the description. One is birch smoke salt, very nice. And this one is the licorice salt, which I'm going to use with this here. So I have this cast iron, and it's a very small one. And this one is about close to 100 years old. What I'm going to do, I have this preheat, by the way. I'm going to put a few drops of the sunflower oil, just a few drops, not a lot, just drops, a few drops. Because I'm going to prepare a glaze. This is for the ribs, by the way. And you heat up, put the heat at medium, because you don't want this to cook too fast. And what you do is you start heating that glaze, this honey. Then you come and grab some of this licorice salt. Once again, link in the description how to order it. And add some of that here. Move things around. And you're going to do this for about a minute. And I'm going to cook this in the griddle, and I'm going to do it indoors in my kitchen, what I do, and I've been doing most of my cooking. I'm just showing you how you can do stuff in the kitchen. You preheat this cast iron griddle, and then you put some of this sunflower oil. You can brush it up. Start adding the ribs. Beef ribs. Beef. Sausages. Sea salt. You can use some pepper if you want to. I choose not to. After about a minute or so, turn it around. And by the way, you could have put the salt and pepper before too. I choose not to because it doesn't matter to me. Because of the way I'm cooking this. I'm going to add some salt. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to start glazing this baby. First round of glaze. And I always add the glaze in the part that heat up first for about a minute. About a minute or so later, flip it again. So you can add some of that nice honey glaze that I prepared with the liquor salt. Sweetening this baby. Flip the sausages. Do the same in this side. After a minute or two, flip these babies again. See how dark and beautiful. You can put, optionally, some rosemary. And thyme. To get those aromatics. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Just adding some aromatics. And you cook the other side for about a minute. If that. Time to turn the sausages again. Because you're going to put some of the glaze on the other side. Heat was a high, and then I turned it down to couple notches about medium. You can turn this side off and cook this for about a minute or so.